Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, September 30th. Let's take a look at this NASDAQ market. We had some banking woes occurring in Europe and it kind of bled over to what we're seeing in the United States, plus some other factors. The issue here is that this could continue lower if indeed this European concerns continue to flare up, plus some things we have in the States. My feeling is we're going to go into the market in this neutral zone trade. That's what I call this. I'm looking for a sideways move to slightly lower, possibly for Friday, but not a dramatic move. Well, the euro, it's struggling. It's not sure what to do. It's not sure whether to go up or down. So this market's kind of waving in the wind, and I look for more of the same kind of action, a sideways move in the euro. If we were going to get buyers coming in, they would have come in yesterday's action. Now, Japanese yen, well, it traded below the bearish level. And the magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $1,000. I do look for movement to the upside in that market. Let's move on, though, and take a look at what's happening in the interest rate markets. The 10-year notes traded below its bearish level, but with all this news going on in the stock market, it popped right back up. I don't look for follow through today, though, for Friday in that market. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level there is $593.75. Over here in bonds, the difference between its bearish level and its bullish level is $2,343.75 a contract. I am not bullish on these markets. And you can see it did trade lower, which is what I was looking for. But with the stock market doing its thing, you can see bonds also firmed up. I look for a sideways move as we go into the weekend. And in the gold market, it's not sure what to do either. It's a market that wants to go higher, I believe, but it just doesn't have the reasons to do it. In fact, silver made an attempt to the upside. It failed, but it got above its bullish level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $7,200 a contract. And what we're looking for, though, on Friday is a sideways move in that market. Crude oil. Well, let's get over to crude oil. Crude oil, makes a rally to the upside. Again, I'm skeptical of this market. I wouldn't be a seller at these levels, but I still think we should be cautious about crude oil at these price levels. Soybeans traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $650 a contract. I look for a sideways move for Friday in our friend Mr. Bean. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.